dalawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing, na di ka pwede dapat na maliitin. Kung usapan ay laro dapat halimaw. Sintaas ng bola pag ginagis kakasilaw. Tignan mong maigi ang iyong paligid. Baka may umagaw, pasa mo sa gilid. Titira ng tres, walang sasabay. Babaan lahat, matik to walang sablay. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Dapat bola, 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 bola is life. Sumabay, dumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang panliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League Basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Dito sa laro, di lang puro atake. Dapat meron kang diskarte, di pwedeng makasarili. Galawang malabro, Jason Williams kung pumasa. Double crossover na parang Iverson gumana. Iwanang babantay sa'yo, fake sabay rekta. Quick release ang banat parang Steph Curry tumira. Wag nga lang pakumpiyansa sa laro, bilog ang bola. Manalo sa laban, yan din gusto nilang makuha. Ipasa
Jersey number 5. Foul on jersey number 10. First personal foul, first team foul. Jump ball, same ball. 11 seconds on the shot clock. Seconds. Steve. Jersey number 2.
Good afternoon mga ka-Velvet. We are back live here at Amante Gymnasium, San Pablo Central School para sa ating 1400 division battle between Hoops Academy and Alaminos Pillars. Season inside pass, Randolos, extra pass, traveling violation.
Players stop in.
Jersey number 2. Nice dish. Basket plus the foul by Cantre.
Second personal foul, second team foul.
Now Cantre with the bonus free throw. Ball stays on Hoops Academy. Gonzal launches. Alaminos Pillars pushing the ball. Traveling violation call. Gonzal again. Gonzal launches another 3-point. No good. He's on. Baseline. Wala. Jersey number 2. Nice save by Mojica. Gives it to Serio. Shot clock winding down. Serio. Finding Cantre. Misses. Ball for the rebound. It's Cantre. It's a shot clock violation.
Hoops Academy.
Okay lang.
We can never fallen kapag lumea parang agila. Lakas ng stamina, run, malamakina. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, di wait ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, kumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, illegal, legal, legal, legal.
Duval gives to jersey number 26. Now on Vista. Vista attacks. Vista with a Pinoy step basket. Jersey number 2 inside pass. Taps out by Duval. Ball stays on Alaminos. Moica fires. Can't hit. Rondolos grabs a rebound. Here comes Hoops Academy. Noel. Missed the shot. Jersey number 21. Ballesteros. It is Alaminos on the other end. And jersey number 5 gets the basket. Rondolos finding the wall. Nice defense by Moica. And a steal. It's a foul called on jersey number 2.
First personal foul for Steve Brown.
That's his first personal foul. Rondolos, the floater basket. Turnover again para sa Alaminos. Ballesteros grabs. We have a jump ball violation. Ball stays on Hoops Academy. Serio with another rebound. Fast break. Barcenas lose the ball. Ball for the rebound. Now we have a foul called on jersey number 11, that's on Noel.
11. First personal foul for Steve Brown.
Serio the inbounder. Intercepted by Vista. Vista gets an easy layup. Again, steal. Cantre inside. Cantre basket. Galibo gives to Ballesteros. Vista open, no good. Serio again, another rebound. Fast break. Jersey number 2. Nice block by Rondolos. Again, block shot naman para kay Ballesteros. Jersey number 5 stays with the play. Gets another basket para sa Alaminos. The wall. Block shot, but we have a whistle and a foul. That's on Cantre.
First personal foul, second team foul. 2 shots for the wall.
The wall on the line. Second shot's good. Steal by Galibo. Of sa Academy pushing the ball out of bounds. Same ball possession.
Same ball.
Duval gives to Rodolos. Gets doubled. Duval again. 5 seconds to shoot. Vista. Nice defense by Cantre. Vista spins. And a foul call.
Foul jersey number.
Again, that's a foul on jersey number 9, Cantre. With the second personal foul.
Third team foul.
Out of bounds.
Out of bounds, sa Academy goal.
Steals by Noval. Vista pushing the ball. Vista gets fouled.
Foul jersey number 5.
That's a foul on jersey number 5.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Papalaminos. We have a substitution.
Warning for penalty.
Dolos finding Sumage. Ballesteros rather inside. Ballesteros again misses.
20 seconds.
Barcenas. Moreno pass inside. Fernandez no good. 5 seconds out of bounds.
3 seconds remaining.
So 3 seconds para sa Alaminos Pillars. A steal. That's it para sa ating first quarter.
9-14 in favor of Alaminos.
It's 49 para sa Alaminos Pillars.
Basketball liga, 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 liga.
sabay tumakda, tumalon din ako, tumitres, tumilay up nang hindi kapot. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet mo sa smooth. Pasok sa galawang panika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit pa napakalakas nila. Ipakita mo ang tunay na galing.
This is the start of our second quarter. Early turnover para dito sa Alaminos Basketball. 14 seconds para dito sa Oops Academy. Jersey number 4 gets an air ball. Is Eason. Eason again with a steal. Eason now gets fouled by jersey number 7, Nohor, with his first personal foul. Basket, that's the foul by Sumage. Back to back. Fouls by jersey number 7, Nohor of Alaminos. Now he checks out. Sumage with a bonus free throw. Almost a steal. Manalo. Out of bounds. That is Oops Academy Basketball. The kid using the glass. Basket's good. Moreno, bibigay dito kay Manalo. Inside pass, intercepted. Here comes Season. Finding the kid. Missed the shot. Ball for the rebound. Torreya attacking. Moreno Inside, basket, plus the foul.
Foul on jersey number 7. Substitution. First personal
Oh,
foul, first team foul.
Lloyd, di nagpaalam sa'yo, Lloyd.
Nag-charge na yan.
And the bonus free throw para kay Moreno. Basket. Papalis sa 3-point play. Hison attacks. Hison, basket. Serio. Attack Serio. Fade away jumper. The kid. Sumage. Offensive rebound plus the basket. It's jersey number 2. Attacking, side step, layup, misses, out of bounds. Hison again. Gives the kid extra pass. They're good. Out of bounds. Ball stays on Hoops Academy. With 11 seconds to shoot. Sumage back to Hison. He's on baseline. Finding Sumage. Sumage, short jumper, no good. Jersey number 2, lays it in, basket. Hison. Attacking baseline. A foul on jersey number. It's on jersey number 4.
First personal foul, 13 foul.
First shot is good para kay Hison. Second shot no good. Here comes Alaminos Pillars pushing the ball. Intercepted. Sumage on the other end. Sumage pushing the floor. Sumage count the basket plus the foul.
Down, jersey number 96. Foul on jersey number 5. First personal foul.
Strong move galing dito kay Sumage.
13 foul.
Attacking the defense of Alaminos. Completes the 3-point play. Serio, magbaba ng bola para sa Alaminos. Serio. Baseline, inside pass. Torrea, no good. Ball for the rebound. It's Mojica with a fake. Mojica, baseline, running shot, no good. Suelto grabs a rebound. Here comes Hoops Academy. The kid, Suelto. Foul.
Foul on jersey number 00.
Mojica will be called for a personal foul.
First personal foul, warning for penalty.
Sending Suelto under a free throw line. First one, no good para kay Suelto. And he gets a second shot. We have a substitution again para sa Hoops Academy. Hison and Dickey checks out. Lose the ball. Turnover para sa Alaminos. And Alaminos Pillars calls for a timeout. Babalik po tayo after this short break.
Wala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet Dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. 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 Pagkapasa ng bola, bigla.
Aragon single.
So, out of bounds.
Aragon single.
Bola para dito sa Hoops Academy. Ten seconds on the shot clock. Ball stays on Hoops Academy with 5 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds to shoot.
3 seconds on the shot clock para sa Hoops Academy. Sumage, baseline, jumper, no good. Here's number 2. Now foul is called on jersey number 12. That's
First personal foul, second team.
on jersey number 12 of Hoops Academy, Gonzal. Basket by jersey number 2. Gonzal magbababa dito para sa Hoops Academy. Gonzal, sidestep. Whistle and a foul on jersey number 26, Sumage.
First personal foul, European foul.
Sumage with his first personal foul.
Foul, jersey number 9.
Another foul called on the side of Alaminos. It is Cantre. That's his third personal foul. And a warning for penalty para dito. Basket, Sumage. Barcenas. Ten seconds. Jersey number 2 with the floater, no good. Ball for the rebound. Cantre gets the ball, loses. Sumage pushing the ball. Gonzal, Anding. Amos na 3, no good. have jump ball. Ball stays on Hoops Academy. Now we have a timeout called by Hoops Academy.
Parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamakina. Kala mo nakakape pagkabarako. Kapag sumalaksak, lakad ay inaararo. Minulog pa si Steve Nash, D-Wade ang speed flash. Cash out na ang mga boys, ready na ang Gcash. Ilang segundo crucial, walang kaba sa free throw. Lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo ang tikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Teka wait pare, pasa mo yung bola. Libre yung kakampi mo, wag ka naman suga pa. Hindi mananalo.
We are back to the ball game. Let's see what Hoops Academy drawn in the playboard. Now here comes Salaminos, jersey number 5, pushing the ball. That is Laraya Galibo with the rebound. And a steal. Again, gets doubled. We have a jump ball. The ball stays on Alaminos pillars. And Alaminos calls for a timeout.
Mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa Gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo. Yung hirap at pagkatalo ay kasama sa ensayo. Aminado, kahinaan di tinago. Niyakap ang pagbabago, nakinig sa mga payo. At dahil dyan ay lalo pang gumagaling sa hilig. Nagiging marespeto, malakas puso at isip.
Balena crosses and gets fouled. That's on jersey number 12 of Hoops Academy. And now they are in warning for penalty situation. Barcenas. Five seconds. Balena. Air ball. There's a 24-second shot clock violation para din sa Hoops Academy. Another miss, Candra the rebound, gives to Villanueva, the long two-pointer. Gonzal gets the rebound. Gonzal finding Galibo. Ramos, pass inside, Galibo gets triple team. 5 seconds, shot clock winding down, Ramos, yes sir! A nice kick out by Galibo. Balena. Villanueva. Short jumper, no good. Garcia gets the rebound. Ramos pushing the ball against two. Ramos completes the layup. Basket again. Back-to-back basket para sa Hoops Academy. Whistle on foul. Blowing foul by jersey number 20 of Hoops Academy. That is Garcia. Now we have a substitution. First shot, no good. Para dito kay Torrea. Now, so not a bounce. Ball stays on Hoops Academy. Shot. 2 seconds. Now we have a foul. So foul called on the side of Alaminos. The second personal foul, no penalty. First shot's good. Berejano. Missed the second. And that's it para sa ating first half. It's a 34-20 para dito sa Hoops Academy. 14-point lead heading into the second half. Magbabalik po tayo after the short break.
Naman suga pa, hindi mananalo kung wala kang tiwala. Kaya nga kayo grupo kasi di mo kaya mag-isa. Hustle hard, wag kang tama rin, depensa lang. Pag alam mo kaya mo, wag kang mailang. Bigay lahat ng makakaya, oras ay bilang. Pasa mo sa libre, tira 3, foul, basket, bang. All eyes on you pag nasa court, kaya give your best. Teamwork at coordination, gumawa na set. Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Pagkapasa ng bola, biglaang naging bida. Sarap sa feeling, parang sinabihan ka na may tira. Opensang parang yung kalbo na laging nakalabas dila. Depensang parang yung mama na sa buhok merong tina. May mga hatak pa sa jersey, ganon kasi may bilang. May mga hamak dyan sa gedli. Silang mga watching lang na di mo dapat pakinggan. Huwag kang paiilang, pag nanalo mamalato ka sila, wag mong bigyan. Haha, sobrang dami ng dinayo, yung hirap at pagkatalo.
First personal foul, second team foul. Foul, jersey number 10. Third personal foul, first team foul. Out of bounds, Hoops Academy ball. Jersey number 10. Drop ball, safe ball. And the middle Sixers ball. Volleyball. Repito. Out of bounds, Hoops Academy ball. Foul, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9, warning for graduate. 13 foul.
Ballesteros again on the line. Second shot is good. And 8 seconds. Violation committed by Moreno. It was a nice defense by Hoops Academy, forcing a turnover. Hison. Dig it. Kick out. Corner triple, no good. Fast break. Out of bounds. Balik ang bola sa Hoops Academy. Hison again will attack. Lose the ball. Hison recovers. Inside. Floater is good. Pass break on to Reyes. Nice pass by Reyes. Battle for the rebound. It's a jump ball. It is Hoops Academy basketball. And a steal by Serio. That's an out of bounds. It's an out of bounds. Turnover para sa Hoops Academy. Balena gives it to Moreno. Well guarded by Sumage. Nice defense. Hison gets a steal. Hison pushing the ball. Hison attacks. Nice defense by Serio. Serio gets the rebound. Pass break. Kandre on the other end. Kandre no good. Balena fires and Balena hits. A wide open three-pointer. And that's the end of our third quarter. 47-34 para dito sa Hoops Academy heading into the fourth.
Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na ginawa ni coach, tayo ay mag-focus na lang mga kalaban na parang na modus ay ito ay nalang dikdikan to coast to coast. Kapag gumana to champion tayo, tayo ang magto-toast.
Sumabay, gumakda, tumalon, din ako tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka post. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet D-League basketball, liga, 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 liga.
Come and bounce the ball, ikat sumabay. Bibihirang sumablay kahit sumakay. Mga maniti na nga'y street ballin'. Determinado sa laro, we can never fallin'. Kapag lumea parang agila, lakas ng stamina, run malamaki na. Kala mo nakakape pagkabara.
And it's the last and final quarter of the ball game. Para sa ating 14 under division, Alaminos Pillars versus Hoops Academy. And for the opening quarter is 3 points para dito sa Alaminos. And another jump ball. Ball stays on Alaminos. It's on Hoops Academy rather. Contra with the steal. Serio finding Moreno. Air ball. Vista finding the kid. Missed the shot. It's a foul on jersey number 4. Fernandez with the first personal foul. Galibo, a nice pass. Sumaga, no good. But the putback is good by Suelto. Sbalena. Sumage with the steal. Great hands. Sumage. Tagging. Sumage. Traveling violation. Balena again will attack. Kandre gives it to Fernandez, and Fernandez somehow gets the shot. Sumage, pull-up jumper, basket. A fast break, Balena. No good. It's an out of bounds. Ball stays on Alaminos. Ramos checks in. Papalitan dito si Dikit. Basket by jersey number 8. It's timeout by Hoops Academy.
Sumabay, tumakdak, tumalon, tinako, tumitre, tumilay up nang hindi ka po. Mga moves na pang-hoops ng lupet mo sa smooth. Pasok sa kalawang panika na ikaw ang bida.
Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 Velvet dilig basketball liga 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 liga. Ha! Bawal dito ang mahina. Dapat lagi kang kumpiyansa kapag tumitira. Maging panalo kada lalaro sa liga. Di ka papagulang kahit Sa free throw, lahat handa ng bumangga kapag sinabing let's go. Hang time, pwede pang mag-sleep. Pakita mo, antikas mo na may sportsmanship. Bandang huli, lahat tayo ay mananalo. Kahit mag-beast mode, appear lahat ng manlalaro.
Sumabay, kumakda, tumalon din ako. Tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa
Wolves Academy. Offensive rebound around Dolos. Air ball. As a foul. Whistle on Garabo. Garabo with his fourth personal foul here in the last quarter. Balena drives. Balena finding Tarea. Villanueva the rebound. Villanueva, fourth shot, no good. Vista. Ramos. Basket plus the foul. Foul whistle on Tarea. Now we have a substitution. Ramos the rebound. Ramos. Garcia gives it to Jong Lai. Jong Lai. Turnover. Manalo with the fake. Manalo with the long two. No good. It's a battle for the rebound. It's a jump ball. Ball stays on Alaminos pillars. Barcenas. No good. Moica the rebound. Manalo with the fake. Gives it to Moica. Wide open. Basket. 3-pointer para kay Moica. Jonglai attacks. Loses the ball. Pass break on the other end. Manalo up ahead. Basket. Easy 2 points para kay Manalo. Garcia. Steal. And gives it to Moica. Moica with attacks. Finding Manalo. The kick out. Barcenas open. Air ball. Moica again. Corner triple. No good. Pelaggio. Running shot. Basket. Timeout called by Hoops Academy.
Tiwala lang sa team, wala dapat mainis. Focus lang sa goal para sure win, effortless. Pag di mo na kaya, pasap ka lang sa kakampi. Hindi mo kailangan pilitin yung sarili. Upo ka muna, huminga, pahinga lang sandali. Pag kaya mo na magsabi ka lang, gera na ulit.
Sumabay, tumakda, tumalon, di nako, tumitres, lumilay up nang hindi ka boss. Mga moves na pang hoops, ang lupet, smooth na smooth. Pasok sa galawang paliga na ikaw ang bida. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig, basketball, liga, 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 liga. Velvet dilig.
Back to the ball game tayo. Another turnover. Out of the timeout. Hoops Academy. Now we have foul whistle. Barcenas on the line. Missed the first shot. Second shot is good. Last 1 minute. Pass break. Manalo steps back. 3-pointer. Basket. Manalo. And a steal. Pelaggio. Manalo. Back to Pelaggio. So Manalo again. Steps out of the line. Manalo with the turnover. Out of bounds. This Hoops Academy ball. Alaminos Pillars rather. Now 17 seconds. Shot clock is off. Manalo again. A steal. 5 seconds. That's the end of our ball game. Hoops Academy defeating Alaminos Pillars. And Sumage of Hoops Academy for our best player of the game.
Nilang makuha, ipasa ang bola kapag hindi mo na kaya. Buong loob kang magtiwala sa iyong mga kasama. Iwasan ng turnover, tanggalin ang iyong kaba. Natural lang na ma-pressure pag dinouble team ka na. Sa mga play na